What's going on YouTube? Tony here, back again with another video for you guys. This is going to be a car video, or I have a gadget that I want to show you guys, courtesy of MMB Multimedia box for your vehicle. If you do have a car that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you're going to want to check this video out. This unit, you actually plug it into your factory radio via USB. You can get Netflix, YouTube, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that video coming up shortly. Once again, courtesy of MMB Multimedia box for your car. You're gonna love this thing. It's running Android, and basically you keep your existing factory radio. You don't have to swap anything out. It's a plug and play thing. So it's gonna be an interesting video. You guys definitely are gonna want to check it out. But this is just a quick PSA for you guys. MMB, we out.